Okay, so the wind is blowing so bad, and there are branches hitting our house. There's stuff hitting our house. It's so we've moved the bird. Ethan has moved the bird
I literally
because
watched that.
he just watched a bunch of stuff hit the window next to the bird cage. There are deer sheltering. Barely see them. If they move, you can see them. Yeah, the wind is awful. Okay, I am on my way to Finding Nemo rehearsal. And I think, knock on wood, I think that all of the storms that they were predicting are not going to be as bad as they thought they were. All right, rehearsal's about to start, but I have to document this beautiful, beautiful pelican. The vision is coming together, Jim.
I'm going to paint the body probably pretty close to the color of cardboard, and then maybe fake in a few feathers.
We don't need a replay. This time is different, cause now we've got you. We'll all get out if we can swim it the way we always do. Together, we swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. But how? We swim in harmony. We're a fishy family. And the coral reef will be our new address. We're gonna jam the filter and fill this tank with poop. Huh? Nemo is small enough to jam. We swim together. Little clownfish are our ticket to breaking free. And if we all join hands, everybody wins, and we'll swim together.
Final clip. At least I'm remembering to finish my vlog. I spoke with Julian this evening. I got to catch up on all the stuff he's been doing over the last several days. Movie premiere on Friday. All the film, like the film school, it was basically like their own movie film festival thing on Saturday all day with awards, and the film he was in won. And then yesterday they had their big theater end of year awards thing, and everybody got an award. It's like just a fun end of year thing. Everybody gets something. I can't remember what it was. I can't remember. It was like the My How You've Grown Up award, because he played a 6-year-old child and then he played like an older guy. So that he got inducted into the theater fraternity. So that's exciting. And what else? He had his juries today, and he felt like those went very well. It was all acting stuff. Oh, yeah. So I'm really looking forward to having him back, of course. Now that Finding Nemo is in full swing and we're getting stuff blocked and we're getting songs choreographed and stuff, I'm excited to drop him in into the mix. But tomorrow I am going to be having lunch with Megan. Before that, we're going to be clearing stuff out behind the stage, what I was talking about. We're going to meet up at the church and we're going to work on that for a little bit. Then we're going to have lunch and meet and talk about all sorts of stuff and catch up on all sorts of stuff. And then I have rehearsal. So it's going to be another full day. So until tomorrow.